A recipe from little Timmy Hitler.
Take away protection from the biggest glass. Eliminates the safety nets. There's an age-old question how to control the mob. But once you know the secret, it becomes an easy job. I hope you people have a strong stomach. A quart of frightened and a pinch of confused. A sprinkle of anxious when dollop abused. 2 cups of desperate, a fistful of rough. Go heavy on hatred, you can't have enough. It's a recipe for scapegoat. Anyone can be framed once you serve up a scapegoat. Someone else is to blame. Everyone loves a scapegoat. Serve it up in a tasty pie. You'll have fun making scapegoat. Come on and give it a try. Now stir the pot and stoke the fire. You fan the flames till they go higher. You know that it's done if they take the bait. When you're ready to serve, tell them who to hate. What's happening to law and order? Mexicans across the border lost your shirt in currencies. The problem is the damn Chinese. The price of gas has just increased. The problem is the Middle East. For any problem caused by you, why not blame the Jews? It's a recipe for scapegoat. Anyone can be framed once you serve up a scapegoat. Someone else is to blame. Everyone loves a scapegoat. Serve it up in a tasty pie. You'll have fun making scapegoat. Come on, give it a try. Add a garnish of bias and national pride. With enough misdirection, any taste you can hide. This recipe works if you don't mind the taste. It helps with recruitment. It feeds the base. It works in the west. It works in the east. So preheat the oven. Prepare for the feast. It's a recipe for scapegoat. Not a belly goat. More bitter than cabbage. More poisonous than cyanide. Everyone loves a scapegoat. It's a piece of cake. Once you master scapegoat, you graduate to genocide.